It's Bradenton. I think we're gonna make the first hit. I think I'm gonna make the first hit. Then John. We are hooked up with nitrous. We are gonna be spraying out of the hole. Gonna try to see what happens first pass and run the 8th and see what happens. All right, first shakedown pass. Let's see what happens. I think we're only running to the 8th. Depends how it goes. Okay, so a lot of things were I kind of got rushed up to the line. I let off at the 8th because I don't want to get kicked out really early, but it 60-footed fairly decent, it felt like. My draggy wasn't working, a bunch of different things going on. The end gauge fell off the windshield, but it was logging, so I think we are pretty good there. Thank you. Not bad. We'll keep that a secret for now. Already faster than the VMP, 6.2 at 109. 1760. Oh, we're definitely spraying. Bro, it'll go at 8 on the next pass. It did a wheelie on the second gear shift? Shifted second in the front left. Came up, I'm telling you. It's fast. It's real fast. It feels smooth. It feels smooth. My camera's gonna stop, so I apologize. The end gauge fell off under my thumb. That's what I was doing here. I was moving it backwards because I couldn't reach. We need to clean the windshield. It feels so good compared to every other setup. It feels so good. Oh my god! It picked the front end right out! Oh, it's gonna wheelie on the spray, bro. On the brakes! Holy sh! It just went 950 on the brakes. Oh my god, it went 950 on the brakes! It went 592 to the 8th! Oh, fuck! Oh my god. Yeah! Wow. Wow. That's faster than the VMP on the brakes. By far faster than the VMP. Oh my God. That's moving. That's moving. What?
It's like you ran out of travel.
Bro, it has no anti-roll bar.
I know, we need to get one. So
we have one.
Yeah, I know we do.
What do you think it ran on the brakes?
I don't know, it was ripping. 992.
Well, are we telling people? Or
yeah, it's fine for now.
No way. We in the 5s. We in the 4s, 60 to 130. And I was hard on the brakes. Like, I didn't even have to brake, like, towards the end of the track. I was already slowed down. It's fast. I sprayed
you run out of, you watch the video, you'll see. You, like, just run out of travel. Like, the right shock bottoms out, and then it's just causing the left one to pogo, and then that's when the car kicked.
Oh, okay.
It had traction.
I forgot it even spun. I wasn't really worried.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't really spawn. It just kicked it. Oh, she probably got a photo. Yeah, she probably got a photo. Alright, I think we blew a charge pipe. It seemed like we had no boost. We did have nitrous though. The nitrous was working. Yeah, we gotta look.
Out of every line that you said was gonna fall off, that'd be the last one I expected. I mean, can we just talk about this? Like, this isn't even the right bend.
Full send, baby. So, yep. Easy fix. 60 foot seemed pretty good on that one.
Yeah, it was good, and then there was just nothing.
Yeah. Well, there was something. That's why I was confused. It was still spraying nitrous. I was like, wait, this doesn't feel that slow. And then
no, it was like, you heard the turbo, it went, and then I was like, that's weird. But I didn't see any brake lights.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh.
All right, your 5-minute review of the On3 kit.
5 minutes?
Sorry, 1 minute.
I'll negotiate to 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
We're already 20 seconds through that.
We're already 12 seconds in, so.
We're hitting the end of this conversation. It's good. Couple on couplers.
Yeah, the charge pipes. There are some areas that are bead rolled, but we just kept blowing it. We're only running about 10 pounds, so we definitely got to dial that in. The turbo seems to light pretty good, especially once we get a trans brake in two-step. You know, to cut 1.4s without trans brake or two-step, that's pretty good.
I thought it was gonna be like 1.7 or 1.8 even worse.
Yeah, I mean the 1.7 was the first pass, but overall turbo seems to light pretty good. Pulls hard. I think we would have gone 8s if we could have kept the charge pipes on.
Yeah, first two hits we made, ran to the 8.
Oh, I should have just stayed in that 950 one.
Yeah, we had 950.
That sucks.
950 at 112 on the brake, obviously.
I was on the brake hard too, as hard as I could go.
That means nothing for this car. That's like
true.
That's like slight braking for
but
a race.
the draggy shows I was going like 134-ish.
Yeah.
So we dropped.
Definitely on the brake. It would have trapped 150 probably.
Yeah, 150, 155. At least a bottom 9 or a high 8,
yeah.
which is
And then we were gonna do a full beans pass. This car was ripping good, and we were content with the 1.460 and charge pipe, and then charge pipe, and then another charge pipe.
Yeah. I mean, he did tell me to do a rowdier burnout, which I think was not helping the charge pipe situation.
No,
but it was helping the tire situation because our diff is opening up.
Yeah.
That's why we're doing rowdier burnouts, because if the tires aren't fully hot, one wheel is just going to spin. We need to put a spool in it. Yeah. So we're battling a few issues, but overall for essentially 2 days.
The car was literally a roller yesterday.
Not a roller.
Like nothing. It had no suspension.
Yeah.
It was a shell yesterday. So Brad killed it, Andrew killed it. Impressed, happy.
Yeah. So a little bit more dialing in. I know there's a lot of comments about dashboard and exterior stuff, but really mechanically we got to get it dialed. Safety wise, we're getting there with the brakes and stuff, and then we want to clean up the wiring. We got a trans brake 2-step. We got more wiring to add to it, so we can really clean this thing up and make it a consistent.
I also don't think people realize that we've like owned this car 2 months.
Yeah, but we've like,
and like they need to
we get spurts, so like part of the rushing thing. Yeah.
One. So like this is Andrew's free time to work on this. Like I feel as if from supercharger to NA to nitrous.
Yeah, by far though, this is way better than the supercharger setup.
This is where this car will sit, where it will run with the setup on this boost. Is probably where the car will stay.
Yep.
And it's perfect because it'll be 100% a street car. I mean, I love to turn the car up for roller racing, but as far as a track car, it's 80s would be consistent.
Yep.
Happy with that.
Yeah, well, we're gonna roll out of here. Make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Subscribe if you're new. We will hopefully be dialing this in more. You know, some manual brake setup, proper setup for the brakes, probably a chute.
I think we have everything for the manual brakes except the master, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Everything.
Brad was saying we use a 95 Cobra master cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. Yep. No.
I want to get the hood on. That's like one thing.
Yeah, we're not far off. The hood fits pretty much. We got a coolant tank coming. Yeah. And we gotta get a slim radiator fan, just like I just put on the Bullet. We do have a good amount of space, but a stock New Edge fan just didn't fit in there. So
it was like a quarter inch. It would have melted.
Yeah.
It fit, but it was just not enough. And the car doesn't get hot. This car runs super cold. Ran at like 180s all day today.
Yeah.
Just radiated.
But all right, I think that was a success. Pulled some wheels, little wheelies. Second gear wheelie was cool too.
Yeah, that was sick. First pass right off the rip.
Second gear power wheelie.
Really no clue what the car was gonna do. Didn't wheelie. Shifted second, lifted the tire cleanup.
Yeah, that was wild.
I'm sure they'll see that.
I hope we got some cool photos from Casey.
It wasn't much. It was like maybe 3 or 4 inches, but it was good enough for me.
Yeah, first rip. But yeah, no, I think it's sick. So we'll see you guys in the next one.